So for this question is a third equation. So third equation, first step you see your term of the third. You have two third term here. So one at the left hand side, one at the right hand side. So enough already distribute evenly. So what do we need to remove the third is squaring both sides. So we are talking squaring both sides. Left hand side one square, right hand side one square. It's not squaring a term. It's not this term square, this term square, this term square. So if you square one by one term here already, two time of operation squaring is not equivalent to each other already. So left hand side square, right hand side square. So that's why we call it square both sides. And when you want to expand, remember this, when you want to expand, you're having a two term binomial term. When you expand, you're having three term. It's not that a square and b square only. So you should be having a square. So if give you x minus 2, then 2ab, 2 darab depan darab belakang, so it become 4. Then b square, the back here square, giving 4. So that is a correct way to square both sides. So for here, just one term, yes, we can remove the third, having 2x. Then we can see our equation. We still have terms of third equation here. So we leave it at left hand side. Other terms, we going simplify to the right hand side. So x minus x, 2x minus x, you get x. So here, negative, positive 2, when you move here, we become negative 2. Then again, we square both sides to remove the third. So for the position that one term, no problem, 4 square becomes 16. Square root and square, the third can be removed. So position of two term here, x minus 2, x minus 2. So when you square it, expand, you should be having three terms, which is x squared, 2ab, give you negative 4x, and then b squared. So you can notice that your equation now is in a quadratic equation. We rearrange this. So 16x, when we move to the right hand side, so here we have negative 32. When we move to the right hand side, plus 32. So quadratic, we're doing factorization to solve the x. You can notice that your answer is 2 and 18. That is not our final answer yet. So for third equation, you always need to check your answer. What's your left hand side? What's your right hand side? Is it equivalent back to the original equation here? Because you have undergo square both sides for the equation. You already changed the characteristic of the equation from the third function become a quadratic function. So therefore, you have to check back your equation. So left hand side, you substitute the value of 2 inside the original equation here. So it is equal to 2. Right hand side, you substitute here square root of 4, which is 2. Yes, this answer is accepted. So same procedure, go for x equals to 18. So the result, they are equal. Left hand side equal to the right hand side means x equals to 2, x equals to 18. They are accepted because left hand side equals to the right hand side.